People, why do you not want to have a dog? I used to judge people who didn't want dogs until I helped at my friend's rescue shelter for a week. My first day there, I saw a family bring back a dog they'd adopted just 2 months ago. They were in tears. The mom told us how their son got diagnosed with severe asthma. The doctor said he needed a completely fur-free home. They tried everything, even keeping the dog in separate rooms. Nothing worked. Their son ended up in the hospital twice. They spent thousands on medical bills. The mom had to quit her job to care for both the sick kid and the dog. She said the hardest part was watching her son cry because he couldn't even hug his best friend anymore. That week changed how I view pet ownership. Now when someone tells me they don't want a dog, I don't question it.